Ka Sorgar Jela Kalapan Kre Menta Banthe Kumba Arhajar Hadu Arja Sanspa Klur Tingka na Kabanta Bang ya Jaka Kibadon Ki Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei Hapo Kajela. Ya kani laban tip daw menteri ramba Kajela Konrad Kongkol sama Habakren Berkilap Thai Kupor Shisngi Jong Katamasa Cherry Blossom. Menteri ramba laban tip ru Bamenta Surka Kalda Bantrelang Wat Akban Penbu ni Jaka sa na Kabanta Kinawan Kai Tak babu ki hotel 5 star but ki hotel 3 star rengkat but QA but ki hotel.
Localized accommodation for localized and customized experience of tourism is also being promoted. So accommodation, which was a big issue for our state, where we had less than 300 rooms at one point, which were like 3 category and 0 in 5 star. Today we are at least having 300 plus rooms in 5 star and much more in 3 star and other categories. So that's for accommodation. Third, we have focused and we've realized that the locations where customers and tourists want to go, we need to build up the infrastructure and activities in and around those areas. So for example, a person going to Cherrapunji can spend maybe 1 day looking at the waterfalls. So you cannot have 2 days looking at the waterfall and definitely not 3 days. So what does a person do when he or she goes to Cherrapunji? So therefore the activity has to be based on the different programs that they will want to do, and hence we have gone for a large scale program. For example, today Meghalaya will be investing maybe close to about 2,000 to 2,500 crores through externally aided projects, through different kind of projects being funded by Government of India for infrastructure and activity based tourism in and around the important locations where tourists are expected to go. So that's a very crucial part of our strategy. Then we have gone to a strategy where we have ensured that we are able to involve different kind of cultural experiences which are unique for our tourists coming in. So the youth are being really pushed. Now, for example, whether it is making small documentaries or movies which are being done by our youth, or whether it's music events like the Meghalaya grassroots music event where the youth are performing everywhere. So these are ways in which we are ensuring that the community benefits out of the tourism activities that is taking place, because ultimately we expect to create 1 lakh jobs out of tourism, and that can only happen if we have this kind of multi-pronged approaches and different programs. Like these, the Cherry Blossom is a platform, but people are here more for the music, and people are here more for the festival, and we not necessarily get the full advantage of the cultural aspect into it. And the reason why that happens is because actually there is not enough content, there is not enough documentation on many aspects that are related to our culture. We know it, we know what it is. If you ask me, I'll be able to answer, they'll be able to answer. But then you need to, today in today's world, content creation, doing it in the correct manner and presenting it in the correct manner is more important than actually having the content. So we are working on a very aggressive program to ensure that we are able to create this content on our different cultures and different information, history, everything. So